Visit us at Eduvvo. Thank you.
Alright guys, so in this first lesson, we are going to tell you that what exactly Elementor is. Elementor is basically a plugin which is used in WordPress. And this particular plugin is a page builder which helps you to build any sort of website without doing any coding in that. That means if you do not have any knowledge about the coding, you can still be able to create any of the website, no matter whether it is a business website, an e-commerce website, or any sort of your hobby or like your blog website also. Elementor will do all the job for you without doing even a single code in that. So now guys, the question arises that whether you should consider buying Elementor Pro or you should stick with the Elementor free. But before jumping onto that, we need to understand that what exactly is the difference between Elementor free version and plus the Elementor Pro version over here. So let's just quickly see what you're going to get in the Elementor free version and what you're going to get in Elementor Pro version. And do we actually need that up? So let's just see to it. Let's just jump right into that. So first of all, if we talk about the editor, so you're going to get the drag and drop editor, which is basically the form of a page builder functioning, where you can drag and drop any sort of widgets. Like if you want an image over here like this, so you can directly drag the image and put it up over here. If you want any text, the same thing you can also do with that also. Any of the element which you think up, you can directly drag and drop with the help of Elementor. So this drag and drop feature you are going to get within the free version of Elementor. So now the question arises for the drag and drop feature, do we need the pro version here? The answer is no. So now let's just jump on to the next one. So in the free one, you get around 50 widgets over here, which is basically enough for getting us to get started over here. And when I say like widgets, that totally means like images, your text, your headlines, your paragraph, and so on. There are multiple more like that. Let's say counters, which has the numeric effects over there too. So there are multiple widgets which are available in the free version and even the pro version also. There's not as much as major difference within the pro version and the free version. So still I'm going to say let's only stick with the free version for now. So now we have a responsive editing. So let's suppose you have created a website with the help of Elementor and now you wanted to optimize to look good on your mobile or like your tablet also, and even on your desktop or your laptops. So in that case, Elementor provides you a responsive feature where you can easily optimize all of these things with the help of Elementor free version and the pro version also. So all the responsive editing is available in the free version. So hence you do not need the pro version as far as that. So just in case you wanted to add additional features like multiple more widgets, you want the features in that, then only you should consider the pro version for it. Otherwise the free version is going to work for 99% of the cases. Live editing simply means whatever you're going to edit, whatever you're going to build on your website or whatever you're going to design on your website, it is going to be shown in a live version over here. So when I say live version, so it's simply a drag and drop feature. You drag things from here and you are going to look at on a live changes here. So that's a very good feature to look forward for it. And most of the page builders totally lack this feature. I'm not going to take the names of the other page builders because we are talking about the Elementor and it is one of the best page builder available in the market. So now the next thing, global editing. It ensures the consistency across your website using global settings for fonts, colors, and widgets. That's perfectly fine. This is a free version for it and you get this feature in the free part for it, for the Elementor. Now if you need to build a theme, so in that case this feature won't be available, and believe me, you won't be needing that feature if you wanted to build a website for your client or for your own business also. You can easily be able to build any sort of website, whether it is a business website, whether it is an e-commerce website, or any sort of other website like blogs, articles, and so on, or like forums also. So you do not need the pro version till now. Now if you're going to talk about the designing part, so now you can see this that we have global colors available in the free version also. We have global fonts also available. So you are going to get like hundreds of the fonts which are available on Elementor, and also multiple combinations of colors also you're going to get for free of cost in the global colors here in the free version of Elementor. You're also going to get the motion and the interactions, which is basically a free version option here, and that is also available in the pro version too. There's not as much as difference right now to buy the pro version here, so still I'm going to suggest that stick only with the free version, because in my also the journey in the my last past 8 to 10 years I've been working with like global clients and all. We have been delivering like multiple thousands of the websites till now, so we never needed the pro version of the Elementor yet. If you need to add any sort of like custom things or like custom designing in that, then only you will be needing the custom CSS part, which is a part of a pro feature. So if you need that, then only you need to go forward for the pro version here. But believe me, Element is built in such a case and such a way that you will never need the custom CSS option for that. Most of the things you can easily be able to build using the free version of the Elementor. In the free version of the Elementor, you're also going to get 10 website kits, that means the templates also, and also multiple more visual parts in that. That means you can build and customize every part of your website visually, and you can watch your website come into life in a real time. That again says that everything is live. Whatever you're going to make a changes within seconds, you're going to see it in a live effect over there without even publishing and without even making it live for your customers. You can still make the changes. Once you are done with all the changes, then you can go on and proceed with the publishing part for that. So that means it is a very dynamic one, and it is a very great software to work on with. Now if you're going to talk about the marketing and the e-commerce, you can see this that for e-commerce we do not have the WooCommerce builder, and we do not even have the pop-up builder in that. Apart from that, dynamic content, that means multiple elements which can make a little difference, not that much, just a little difference, are not available in the free version. Form builder is also, that means if you need to add any sort of contact form on your website with the help of Elementor, you're not going to get a pre-built form through the Elementor, but that's not an issue. We can use this WooCommerce builder, and we can use the pop-up also, and even the form builder also within the third-party plugins which are available on WordPress market for free of cost. Now let's go on to more part over here for the work flow. So you can see this, you can do the site settings, which is going to be on the global elements for free of cost. That also includes the site identity, lightbox settings, layout, theme styles, etc. Apart from that, you can see that you have mark widgets as favorite, so that is also available. That means you can star your widgets whatever you like in a very handy way, so that you can use it more rapidly and more effectively over here. Drag from desktop, reduce redundant keystrokes by dragging media and template files directly into the editing canvas. That means you can directly drag and drop the files from your desktop or your laptop or any device which you're using directly to the Elementor screen, and that's the feature of a free over here. Now you have the multi-select feature also and the finder also. That means you can also find different pages, different dashboard settings and different bars, and you can also do a lot of tons of things which can save you like tons of time and efforts over here. So if you're going to go to the advanced one, custom codes, again it's not available for the free version. Custom attributes is not available. Role manager is also not available, but these are very small parts which I don't think so you will be needing in the first couple of years. So that won't make any sense in buying the Elementor Pro over here. So I won't totally suggest buying Elementor Pro here. So basically guys, these were the major differences between the Elementor Pro and the Elementor free version available in the market. Jump on to the conclusion whether the free version of Elementor is enough for you or whether you should buy Elementor Pro or not. So the answer over here is that I won't tell you to buy the Elementor Pro, because I think the free version of the Elementor is far enough for you to get started and to build any sort of websites over here. Because if you're going to see it very clearly that even 90% of the features are totally available in the free version of Elementor. So that won't make any sense in buying the Elementor Pro at once for it. So I would suggest never go forward for the Elementor Pro, as I'm going to tell you how you can use and how you can add on the multiple things which are available onto Elementor Pro with the help of substitute plugins, which are actually the supported plugins for the Elementor, without even giving any amount for the subscription fees for the Elementor. Version enough for you? The answer is absolutely yes. Because you can create any sort of website within the margin of the free version of Elementor, because it has all the major functionalities which you want and which you need to have to create any sort of website. No matters you wanted to create a business website, no matters you wanted to create a e-commerce website, you're going to get all the features with this drag and drop functionality in that. So all you got to do is just drag the things up and you're good to go with that.
If you are looking for teaching stuff, education stuff, programming series, application, and Android development, coding skills, marketing skills, presentation skills, stay connected by subscribing. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.